Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your cleaning routine more efficient and hassle-free, the Qimedo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. We found this fantastic vacuum and have included the link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. The Qimedo Cordless Vacuum is a versatile cleaning tool designed to tackle a variety of household messes. With its powerful 700W suction and two 8000 mAh batteries, this vacuum is engineered for modern homes, making it an excellent choice for anyone from busy parents to pet owners. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its impressive 90-inch extension tube. This design was conceived by a professional cleaner and a mom, ensuring that it can easily reach high corners, under furniture, and into tight spaces. The vacuum comes with specialized carpet nozzles and two extension tubes, effectively capturing large debris, dust, and even pet hair larger than half an inch in diameter. The long hose and extended tubes allow you to clean 99% of carpets and corners without straining your back. Next up is the suction power. The Qimedo Cordless Vacuum boasts three different suction modes, 30 kPa, 50 kPa, and a max mode that hits a powerful 60 kPa. This is made possible by an upgraded motor that runs at 120 kRPM, which is a significant improvement over many other vacuums that typically offer less suction power. This means that whether you're dealing with fine dust or larger messes, you have the flexibility to adjust the suction to meet your cleaning needs. Battery life is often a concern with cordless vacuums, but Qimedo addresses this with two 8000 mAh batteries that provide a remarkable 66 minutes of runtime on low mode. With a charging time of just 5 hours, you can quickly recharge and get back to cleaning. This is particularly useful for deep cleaning sessions, allowing you to cover your entire home without interruption. The vacuum also features a generous 2-liter dust cup, which is ample for everyday cleaning tasks. The HEPA filter is both removable and washable, saving you the hassle of frequent replacements. Just a tip, after rinsing the filter, make sure to dry it thoroughly before reinstalling it to maintain optimal performance. Another practical feature is the built-in LED light on the vacuum head. This light illuminates dark corners, making it easier to clean those hard-to-see areas without bending or straining. The floor nozzle itself is designed to move freely, adjusting up and down by 90 degrees and left and right by 180 degrees, making it incredibly user-friendly. The versatility of this vacuum is enhanced by its 7-in-1 functionality. It comes with various attachments, including a crevice nozzle and a 2-in-1 brush head, making it suitable for cleaning not just floors, but also sofa seats, windows, drawers, and more. Whether you're tackling pet hair or everyday dust, this vacuum covers all bases. This product is perfect for families, pet owners, and anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. If you live in a dorm or a smaller home, the cordless design and lightweight build make it easy to maneuver and store. In conclusion, the Qimedo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a powerful and versatile cleaning tool. It combines strong suction, convenient features, and thoughtful design to make home cleaning easier than ever. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.